Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to show you how you can add this effect. This effect is just great if you're aiming to make your footage look more cinematic, more filmic, and if you want to add like a more cinematic look to your video. And this effect that I'm going to show you right now how to add, this halation effect, like it mimics the organic imperfections of film stock, especially for high contrast scenes where brightness highlights are common. And you're gonna have to go to the color here, and then here we're gonna have to go to effects. And here, if we write, let's actually add first, add serial, and then here in effects, just write the halation, this one right over here, and drag onto your video. And then here we can now just change a couple of settings here. Let's say increase the threshold, and then for strength you can increase the strength. You can add a secondary glow, and let's say if I can see this, how it actually plays for the text, we'll add this like glow effect. Now of course depends on your footage, but depends on what you want to achieve. You can also add some blend and like detail loose, kind of like a blur. We can increase the blur. From here we have the threshold, the film saturation level, we can increase this, the strength we can increase, the gamma, the saturation, the spread we can also look, and then we can then go down here and decrease the detail or decrease the blend. And yeah, I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.